We just finished snow maybe about 3 weeks ago, so what's going on?
Now Toronto is outside in the rain, and we are asking people how they feel about this wet and cold weather.
I've been waiting on a Toronto summer for so long. Hot girl summer, we're waiting, but apparently Toronto doesn't want to be warm.
It's okay, but it's so chill. That is the coldest May, I think.
Do you prefer summer?
Yeah, I prefer summer.
I mean, I'm from Vancouver, so I'm used to it though.
I wish it was nicer. I feel like the weather's teasing us a little bit. I had such a nice weekend and now this. It is a bit odd. I remember using my air conditioner last week and now I'm back to heat, right? So that's kind of frustrating, I suppose.